years, nagtuturo silang university. But formerly sa Pilipinas, nag-teach ng political science, history, economics, and law. But there, yun yung yun yung kalagayan namin, no? We don't often follow news, hindi namin tunton ang katotohanan kung mag-follow tayo sa mga mainstream media because some of them conceal the truth about the reality what happened in the Philippines. So, pasensya na po, nahirapan ako managalog straight to straight na Tagalog, but I try my best. So the question kung yung sa PhilHealth, alam naman natin na yung pondo sa PhilHealth is intended to be for the health of the Filipino people, no? Yung nangangailangan talaga, but sad to say, itong pera na to ay tahasang kinuha ng gobyerno, transferred to their whims and caprices according to their desires, hindi na to what the people wants in accordance to their health, no? So the question, bakit ito na napunta sa kamay ni Mrs. Romualdez na isang congresswoman dyan, is nasa posisyon siya at she's a congresswoman, but to the question is delikadisa na lang sana, no, ang dapat hawakan. As for me, no, legally speaking, delikadisa na lang ang dapat hawakan ni Mrs. Romualdez, knowing that yung husband niya is the Speaker of the House and she is one of the member of the House, no, a House of Congress, a House of Representatives, but then she opted, no, she chose to hold the money despite the possible controversy na mag-occur doon sa scenario. Ito yung nangyari sa funds ng PhilHealth, of which nakita natin na yung pera ay kinuha at nilagay sa isang lugar na kung saan ito ngayon, people are still wondering kasi sabi ni Senator yung senator sa Davao, I forgot the name, sino yun? Kalimutan ko na. Basta yung senator na taga Davao, si Bong, no? Si Bongo, na this money is intended for the health, no? The protection of the health of all the Filipino people sa bansa natin. At yung mga OFW na uwi, na kung in the case na magkasakit sila, they can still avail to the services of this health program. But yan, ito yung mga lapses, may mga question ng tinador as to the nature of management and administering the money. Itong mga PhilHealth officials dapat sinisisi nila ngayon kung bakit ito ay ngayon lang sila umaksyon at magkaroon ng responsibilidad patungkol sa pag-manage ng pera ng PhilHealth. So, that's the reason why na itong mga lawyers, mga former associate justices ay sumangguni sa Supreme Court para mag-file sa korte para tigilan ang pag-transfer ng funds from PhilHealth to other agencies. Yun lang po ang aking initial statement po dyan, sir.
Gamitan ng post para ma-move sila. At pagkatapos na ma-move sila, ma'am, gawin natin, ma'am, constitutional condition uli na wasto at tama at tayo na po ang maglalagay ng tunay na mga leader na magkakalinga sa kapakanan ng taong bayan, ma'am. Kasi wala na po tayong ibang solusyon kundi gawin ito, ma'am, kahit